Okay, guys, what's up? Good morning. This is Train here, and as I promised, as I was gonna drop a currency indicator for you guys, and this is all about the crossover strategies, guys. So how does this work? All as I said, as the name is indicated, crossover. It works with a cross. Whenever there is a cross around this area here, the down area. Look, I'm talking about the indicator right now. Once the 200 moving average crosses the other moving average around this area, and once the 21 crosses the 5, yeah, you take a buy. Make sure it crosses on the 10 level, you take a buy, yeah. Then you wait till the 200 crosses back, or the 21 crosses back the um other 5 moving average. And as you can see it again, um I'm on the 1 minute time frame. There's a quick scalp though. On the 1 minute time frame, if you want to go for a quick scalp, you use preferably the 21 EMA and the 21 moving average and the 5 moving average crosses. Like, okay, so we have the RSI 14. This is the level. You can just pause the video and write them out. This is the moving average 200 blue. 5 is the red. mm, 8 is the purple, and you know 19 we have the 21. So guys, so you use the 8 and the 5 cross, or the 21 and the 19 cross. Once they cross at the sell level here, at this down level here, you take a buy. Your stop loss is below the wick of that level. You take a buy till they cross at the upper part. Whenever they cross at the upper part, you take a sell till you get across at this bottom side here. So it's like repeat. That's how it works. Very simple. It repeats itself the same way. You see, once there's a proper cross at the over bot level, yeah, that's at the over bot level. What do? Once the 15, now once the 5 and the 8 crosses the 19 and the 21 moving average up here, I'm talking about for the 1 minute time frame, you take a sell. Now the 200 is indicating the trend. It's just indicating the trend at which you're operating in. So now you take a sell when once it crosses, and you can see the trend has actually gone up, meaning okay, the buy trend has ended. Now we are entering a sell trend. So you take a sell till you get another cross at the oversold level. Now you can see the 200 has gotten down here, meaning oh, now we're going for a buy trend. And you can see there's a cross at below um the 10 level there. You take a buy until it crosses above here, and you watch your once you're taking a buy, you watch your 200 moving average. you know Watch it. Once you see that it has crossed above here, and your 200 moving average also has gotten to the overbought level, you can cut out to be in a safer position. So it's as simple as that. Your 5 minute time frame also, you can see it's respecting the market. There was a cross under here, you could have taken a buy. This is a 5 minute candle: 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, then 5, 40. It took 40 minutes for it to get up there, with your good lot size, in good profit. You can see it again. The cross happened down here, when the 8 and 5 crossed the 21 and 19 below there, and it's indicating the 200 is still indicating an uptrend. So it was a good buy. So you take a buy, you move in like that. You can see here again, there was a cross up here. You take a sell, you exit at the downside, and you can see the trend is a sell trend. So you're good to go. Make sure you check the trend confirmation first, and check the cross. Do not just enter on any cross you see. Let the cross happen either at the overbought area or at the oversold area. On the 15-minute time frame, you can see what happened here. Now, on the 15-minute time frame, you can see there was a cross here, a good cross here, and the trend was indicating okay, it has gotten to this particular point. So obviously we're expecting a fall. To Although it was a buy, it was still on a buy trend, but the cross happened on the over both area, so we could actually take a quick sell. Now the middle line is my take profit area, my personal take profit area. That's the 50 level. Reason why I make that my take profit area is because sometimes I'll show you an example now. Sometimes it gets to take profit and it goes back before it continues to sell. If the trend is not a downtrend, like this kind of trend, So I would have moved out from my take profit area to, so you can see it's very simple strategy. Cross, you enter, exit at the top. Cross, you enter. Like this is what I'm saying. Now this is the example I was saying. Now you can see this is a buy trend. This is a buy trend. Is a buy trend. And the cross happened at this place. It took a sell. Obviously, I don't know if you can see my cross. Oh yeah. This particular point here, you would have okay, this particular point here, you would have this particular point I'm touching here. This is where the cross happened. So you'd have taken the sell down to this point. You can see it's only touched my take profit area before it's bounced back. So now I'm waiting for a proper cross before I enter a sell again. And it works for every pair. This is okay. I'm on Euro USD currently. Great British pounds. You can see the cross happened. You take a sell. AUD card, cross upon, you take it. So that's how the strategy works, guys. It's very simple, very efficient, guys. All you need to do is be patient, wait for the cross, and go into the market and make your money. Like it's as simple as that. Would on the next trade, on the next video, I'll be taking a trade. I'll be making a live trade. I cannot stream live currently because I don't have up to 8,000 subscribers, but until I get there, that's when I'll be able to stream live so you guys can watch live trades. But I'll be taking a live trade on this strategy to show you guys how it works, and you just need to be patient. Make sure you use the normal risk management and do not blow your account, guys. And after this, I'll be uploading a video concerning the synthetic pairs, from $15 to $1,000, using the strategies on the on using the strategies how I uploaded on my channel. So just stay tuned, guys. Please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.